back. Box number 2 of the case. Did one from eBay. Now this is number 1. Number 2 is loaded. Ready to go. Here we go. And the Nationals. Good luck. Let's see if we can't pull another Pirates auto. Hamilton, Strasburg, Bowman is back. Vader, Estrada. Rizzo, Brown. First hit, Tyler Mahl is for the Reds. It's numbered to 50 of 500. The Reds is Jeff, W-A-R. Picking up the first hit. We got a Simmons. Ventura. Jarrett Cole, Mini. For the Pirates, Wong, Cato. Harper. Got a Springer, Walker, dueling die cuts. We'll go to the Astros. That is Reggie, G-I-E. Barreto and Castile. Castro, Barry, Refractor. It's numbered 460 of 500. Encarnacion and Cole. Tanaka. Got a green Dozier. Twins, that's numbered 44 of 75. Jorge and Soriano. Polanco. Fernandez. Refractor. It's numbered 114 of 500. Minier and Oberto. Rollins, Lester, Maya, and Medina. Pujols, Santana, Bostic, and Contreras. Cole, Rios. Yeah, we did it. Got a Garcia for the Pirates. It is Joe, B-E-R. No numbers. Nice hit, Joseph. And Barry. So who is that, Joseph? He any good? Reed? Man, these are nice cards. Jonathan Gray, Fire die cut. For the Rockies, it is Jeff, W-A-R. Ames and Ramirez. Liriano, Pedroia, Severino, and Wall. Lucroy, Granderson, Balcom, and Rohu. Gonzalez, Ramirez, Turner, and Pinder. Kimbrel, Lackey, Perkins, and Pujols. Really? Top 10, huh? Ain't bad. Alvarez, Headley, Sanchez, and Lugo. Encarnacion, Worth, Caratini, and Pompey. Last pack. Gomez, Butler, Mazzilli, and Farmer. That's his bat. Trying to figure out what that was up there by the first Bowman. That'll do it for Bowman Chrome number 1. Still looking for Chris Bryant or Brayu or something. Like to see a one-touch tonight. First auto. Just 1 second.